Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting product to share with you, the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M1026A printer. Let's dive right in and explore its amazing features and benefits. One of the standout features of the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M1026A printer is its compact design. It's sleek, stylish, and won't take up much space on your desk or workspace. Perfect for home offices or small businesses. With the LaserJet Pro MFP M1026A printer, you can expect high-quality printing. It delivers sharp and clear prints with its laser printing technology. Say goodbye to blurry or faded prints. Time is precious, and this printer understands that. It boasts an impressive printing speed of up to 20 pages per minute, ensuring you can get your documents printed quickly and efficiently. The LaserJet Pro MFP M1026A printer is not just a printer, it's a multifunctional device. It can also scan and copy documents, making it a versatile tool for your office needs. We all want to be environmentally conscious, and the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M1026A printer helps with that. It comes with energy-saving features, allowing you to reduce energy consumption without compromising performance. Setting up the LaserJet Pro MFP M1026A printer is a breeze. It's user-friendly and the setup process is straightforward. You'll be up and running in no time, printing, scanning, and copying with ease. And there you have it, folks, the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M1026A printer. It's a reliable, efficient, and versatile printer that will surely meet your printing needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, happy printing!